All set now, ready to race. Race number 8, penultimate race here, Santa Ana Park. Away they go. Midnight Break. From the outside, Remus Danoni inside his new chapter. Power Gear, Salvatore, Dugus Charm, and In Fairness is the early trailer by about 5 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner. New chapter, Remus, Power Gear, Salvatore is running by Daral. Midnight Break is running in fifth, 6, number 6, Dugus Charm, and In Fairness still running at the back of the pack. And inside the last 600, New chapter, Power Gear is running by Daral. Remus on the outside. Midnight Breaks now running in fourth, and Salvatore is running in fifth by Daral. 6, Dugus Charm. As they race the final corner, it's now Power Gear, New chapter. Midnight Break is on the outside. Last 250, Power Gear is running by Daral. New chapter. Midnight Break racing on the outside, burning the tracks. It's now Midnight Break from the outside, and Power Gear is running by Daral and nearing the finish line. Joel Lazaro on Midnight Break. Second, Power Gear close. New chapter and Dugus Charm for third and fourth. Then comes